Welcome to this video on creating effective, eye-catching titles for YouTube videos. Today we'll cover everything you need to know to craft titles that grab attention and boost your video performance. Titles are important because the title is the first thing potential viewers see, making it crucial for attracting clicks. A well-crafted title can be the difference between someone watching your video or scrolling past it. The purpose of a title is multifaceted. It should accurately describe your video's content, entice viewers to click, and include relevant keywords for search engine optimization. A good title sets expectations for what viewers will see and learn from your video. Regarding length, YouTube allows up to 100 characters for titles, but it's best to keep them shorter. Aim for 60 characters to ensure your full title is visible on most devices and in search results. Longer titles may get cut off, potentially losing important information. Now, let's discuss the key elements of an effective YouTube title. First, include your main topic or keywords, preferably at the beginning. Add numbers if applicable, such as 5 tips for, or top 10. Use power words to evoke emotion and grab attention. Make sure your title accurately reflects your video content. Here are some tips for writing good titles. Be descriptive and specific about what viewers will gain from watching. Create curiosity without resorting to clickbait. Use action words to encourage engagement. Consider including your brand name if you're well known in your niche. Several tools and software options can help you create better titles. YouTube's search bar can show you popular search terms. Google Keyword Planner can help identify relevant keywords. TubeBuddy and vidIQ offer title suggestions based on trending topics and SEO. Best practices include aligning your title with your thumbnail image, avoiding all caps unless for emphasis, and updating titles if needed to improve performance. Always put the most important information at the beginning of the title. Mistakes to avoid include using clickbait or misleading titles, which can harm your channel's credibility and performance. Don't stuff your title with too many keywords, as this can look spammy. Avoid using inappropriate language or symbols that could turn viewers away. Remember, creating great titles is a skill that improves with practice. Experiment with different styles and analyze your results to see what works best for your audience and content. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and that will encourage us to make more videos on this topic. To view other videos like this that focus on tools to increase your online marketing results, click subscribe. To let us know your most pressing question about the topic of today's video, use the comment section below. We'll likely produce a video answering your question or post an article on our blog. The link to our blog is in the description.